Hello again, everyone. It's Vince from TradingWinds, and this is our update for August 13th, 2024. It was an interesting day today on the markets. We had the PPI number out this morning, came in a little lighter than expected. And at first, the market didn't really react much, but, it was a kind of a slow grind. But hey, it ended up being a pretty good day to the upside. The Dow up 409 here. Now, still sitting below the 20, but a decent up day. The S&P up 90 and sitting just above the 20. The Nasdaq up 464, also sitting just above that 20, and the Russell up 33 and a half, still well below the 20 here. So yes, it was a decent update. And we're going to look at a number of things, but remember, tomorrow is the CPI number out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. That one's a little more important. So there is the potential for some movement from there. If we look at crude oil, it had another pretty decent day as far as movement goes, but unfortunately, it was a complete opposite from yesterday. It was down a little over 2% today. Let's see if it can retest the 20 successfully and start moving back higher here. Gold, you know what? A very quiet day overall for gold, up about 4 points, sitting right near that all-time high. So, it did add a couple points, but again, a fairly quiet day, as it was in silver as well, down 22 cents here, getting a little closer to that 20. Bond yields are mostly higher. The dollar down a half point here, and the VIX down 261, so settling back down after a nice strong update on the markets. Now, as I said, CPI tomorrow, that certainly we could see a move in the VIX there. But before I get to other charts, I do want to have a look at 3M, and the reason why is this right here. I can't remember who raised this in one of our chats earlier in the week, but we've had this nice little pullback here, this little flag pattern, and here we are closing outside the trend line here that crosses those highs, those recent highs, and we also have a reentry, victory reentry. Now, if we look at the weekly and the monthly here, it's also looking pretty interesting. We've got a long way to go to recover to get back at those highs, but looking at the weekly and the monthly, we can clearly say that this bottomed a little while ago. And, on earnings, it had a huge gap, hasn't really followed through, but it's put together a really nice formation here. And now that we've cleared this and closed near the high, as long as the CPI doesn't spoil the party here, I think we can clear that high tomorrow, and this may make another run. So that's what I'm going to be looking at here first thing in the morning.